I want to tell you exactly how much I've made with affiliate marketing, and I haven't been doing it for that long. In fact, I only started doing it when my YouTube channel got a bit more traction. Up until a few months ago, I was only actually promoting one affiliate offer, and that offer I actually made over 30 grand with, which I'm going to share with you a bit later on in this video. But before we get started, before I tell you all of this juicy information, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm really trying to get to 50K by the end of the year, and I feel like you'll be able to help me. And without further ado, let's get right into it. This video is going to be split into 5 sections. Section 1 is going to be, I'm just going to tell you what affiliate marketing is really quickly, and if you already know what it is, then you can just skip to, here. And section 2, I'm going to tell you my 3 biggest affiliate companies that I've made the most money with. Section 3, I'm going to tell you exactly how much I've earned with affiliate marketing from June 2020 to September 2020. And 4, I'm going to tell you exactly how I promoted those affiliate offers. And 5, I will say goodbye. So let's start with 1. What is affiliate marketing? So quickly, affiliate marketing is basically when you promote someone else's offer and you get a percentage of that sale. For example, if I promote this pen and I say, in the description below, if you click my link and you buy this pen for £10, maybe I'll get 5% of that, right? That's what an affiliate promotion is. Sometimes with an affiliate promotion, the person buying through your affiliate link gets a benefit and you get a benefit, and sometimes just the person selling it gets a benefit. So that, in a nutshell, basically is what affiliate marketing is. So moving on to section 2, the 3 biggest affiliate companies I've promoted in the last 3 months. The first one is Placeit. Placeit is brilliant for designs, for t-shirts, for pretty much anything, logos, and I use it mainly for mock-ups. I've used it in YouTube videos, I've used it on t-shirts, I've used it just in all my businesses. I use it probably on a weekly basis, and because I liked it so much, I felt, I wanted to promote it, which is why I started promoting it. And you can actually get that, it's in the description, at 15% off. But I'm not trying to sell it here. I'm just telling you how much I've made and how I've done it. So Placeit is the first one. The second one is AMZ Scout. Now AMZ Scout is an interesting one because that is an Amazon FBA tool that helps you find Amazon products. And we promoted that one with webinars. So it was a bit different. Now, I have actually stopped promoting AMZ Scout. It's a long story. It's quite an interesting one, but it's not for this video. Maybe I'll make another video on it. But in the last 3 months, I still made quite a lot of money with them. Going forward, I probably won't make any money with them because I've stopped promoting them. And the third and final company that has been the biggest ones for me in the last 3 months is Canva. Canva is brilliant. Canva is basically the go-to place for any graphic designer if you need to make Instagram posts, flyers, posters, anything graphical that you need to do that if you don't want to have to go and use Photoshop for, Canva is good for. I use Canva on a daily basis. I use Canva on a daily basis at this point, just because I used to use Photoshop every single day, and now I'll go to Canva first. If I can't do it in there, if it's too intricate, then I'll move over to Photoshop. So Canva is brilliant. So how much did I make from those 3 companies from June to September this year? Well, the total number is, I've written it down, $18,255.23 in 3 months. To me, that is really good. And look, I know there are some YouTubers out there making that amount every single day from their affiliate offers, but I'm not a very big YouTuber, so I think that's actually a really good amount. And it's a lot more relatable to you because it's a lot more down to earth. I feel like you could actually achieve that a lot more realistically than a YouTuber telling you 18,255 in the last 14 minutes. No, see, it's not very realistic or relatable. This is. Let's break that down into the individual companies. So Placeit made $4,546.79. AMZ Scout has made me $13,035.03. And Canva has made $673.41. So if you're wondering how it stacked up to this and why AMZ Scout made so much money, and also why I've just stopped using them, then let me tell you that in part 4, how I promoted these offers. Placeit has just been through YouTube videos. I have had 3 videos, I believe, that I've specifically talked about Placeit, and in every other video, it's in the description, as well as that Placeit have done a really good offer for you to sign up. So that's actually really helped because they've done a 15% discount if you use my link. Then that's been a really good incentive for people. So that's great in that sense. As well as that, of those 3 videos, I've advertised one and spent about $150 to $200 on it. I paused that ad when I realized I wanted to stop doing that and just do it organically through YouTube videos. So that's what Placeit's been. Just, you know, you've seen those Placeit videos here, they're all over the place, right? Done 3 of them. Now, with AMZ Scout, it's been a bit different. I have promoted AMZ Scout with webinars. A webinar is like a live class, you know, where you have 200 or 300 people on the class. You offer them a really good deal. It's like a one-time kind of deal. And that's why AMZ Scout has been so good. And also why AMZ Scout has been the largest amount of money is because the offer has been the highest offer. It's been something like $800 or $900. So it's quite a lot of money, which makes sense why it's been able to make that much money. Point is, that is why AMZ Scout was so high, because it was exclusive webinars. We did how many? We did 3 webinars, we did 2 webinars in the last 2 months, or the last 3 months. And that is why it has equaled that amount of money. And the third one has been Canva. I think I've only done one specific Canva video, but other than that, it's just been the link in the description, and that is how I've been able to make $673. Haven't really pushed Canva so hard. Now, you're probably thinking, why the hell did you stop promoting AMZ Scout? They made you 13 grand in 3 months. They're your biggest one. Well, let me put it this way. When I promote someone's company, right? I want to actually use them, believe in them, realize it's actually a really good company, and, you know, spread it and get other people to use them. If I don't use the company, I don't want to tell others to use it because clearly I don't believe in it enough in myself. So why am I telling other people to use it? So with AMZ Scout, we use them religiously every single day for our Amazon business. And then a few things happened, you know, things with management, things with the tool, things with the company, things we just didn't like, right? Me and my brother, we run that business together. We didn't like the way things were going. We didn't like the way things were handled. We didn't like the way we were being treated. And we also stopped using the tool. So we realized and we felt because we stopped using the tool, we didn't want to promote it anymore. So that is why I stopped promoting AMZ Scout, because like I said, I'm not going to tell you to get a tool if I don't like it anymore, right? And that's just the way it is. It's still a good tool, and for everyone using it, I'm sure it's great, but we have personally stopped using it, which is why I don't want to promote it. And just, by the way, that is a very short, abridged version of a long story of why we don't want to promote it, and I just don't want to bore you in this video. So that leads us to our last section, and that is me saying thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked the video. Let me know down below if you like this content on affiliate marketing, if you want me to do more videos on affiliate marketing, maybe more kind of tutorials, training, step-by-steps on how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.